Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Wi-Fi hotspot password on Android phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about useful tricks and tricks and how best to use Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to navigate to Touching and Hotspot Portable. Just click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Set up Wi-Fi Hotspot. Just like so. Then you will be taken to this particular page. So at this point here, you need to simply delete all this password. Then I'm going to delete it straight up. Then the password must be at least 8 characters. Okay, so I have to enter the new password right here. So once you enter the new password, simply click on save right here. Click on save. Then you can visit back to your setup. Then for you to, each time you want to fill your password, you can simply click on show password right here. Just like so. Then you have your password right here. So each time you want to connect from your phone hotspot, maybe to PC or to another phone, you have to make sure you remember this password to be able to connect with the internet on this particular phone. So simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your Wi-Fi hotspot on Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.